Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Survivor Filter Active All-Terrain filter bottle and carrying case. This is a really important step if you want to keep your filter functioning properly and stay safe from harmful bacteria and contaminants. So without further ado, let's get started. Start by disassembling your active all-terrain filter system. This includes removing the filter, lid, and carrying bag. Fill your bottle about 2/3 with full, very warm water and a few drops of bleach. Screw the lid back on. Shake well, then let sit for an hour. You can use a bottle scrubber to scrub out the cap and bottle. Rinse well with clean water. For the filter, simply flush clean water through the filter and allow air to dry thoroughly. Do not use soap or cleaner on the filter as you may damage it and plug up the microscopic pore openings which can clog up the filter. Finally, the carrying bag can be hand washed with cold water and soap in the sink. Then rinse it with cold water and allow it to air dry thoroughly. Allow the bottle and its parts to air dry completely for up to 72 hours completely before reassembling. Once everything is dry, you can put the Survivor Filter Active All-Terrain water bottle back together and start using it again. Cleaning your Survivor Filter Active All-Terrain on a regular basis will help ensure that it continues to work properly and provides you with safe, clean water for years to come. To learn more about this product, troubleshooting, and tips, visit us at survivorfilter.com. Want to speak to an expert? Email support@survivorfilter.com or call toll-free 1-888-602-6367.